Okay guys, so this is what you're going to need to make this no-baked oats cookies. They are so easy to make and very, very delish. So first I've got 2 cups of sugar here, white sugar, then 125 grams of butter, nice white baking butter, 3 tablespoons of cocoa, half a cup of milk. We're going to pour this into a saucepan and then just bring to a boiling point, cook for about a minute. Then you're going to add all of these. It's 3 cups of oats and 1 cup of coconut, half a cup of peanut butter and 5 ml of vanilla essence. Then you're going to form with your hands little balls of the cookies and place them on this sheet. I've prepared a baking sheet with some wax paper over that, or laid out in it so it doesn't stick to the pan. And then you can just pop that into the fridge. So let's go. Okay, alright, so I've got a nice big saucepan here. I've put the heat on low so it's not too high. Just start the pan so that it gets a bit hot before you start adding the elements. First I'm going to place the butter in. This is the 125 grams of good baking butter. Place that in, and then we've got the milk, sugar, and the coconut. And now you're going to wait until everything starts to boil. Let it boil for about a minute. That'll be enough. And then you're going to start adding the dry ingredients. Okay, so you can see it's starting to simmer a bit there. So just let it cook for about a minute and then you can turn the plate off. Look how yummy that looks. That's about enough. Turn down the plate. We can actually move it. Okay, so it's very, very hot. So let's just take like a spoonful of little cookies and just shake that on. Got a nice one. Yeah. You can make different sizes if you want. Small ones or big ones. You can place them nice closely together because it's not like it's going to bake. and rise or spread out. There's the baking sheet full of these yummy clusters. I'm going to put it in the fridge now, and we're going to try it in about an hour. So here are the oatmeal clusters that we've made, and they are super yummy. I had them in the fridge. Yeah, see. It's very nice. So go try it out if you love peanut butter and oats and coconut. You would love these two. Cool, thanks. Bye guys.